Hi everyone, it's Mel from Sparkly Belly. Decorating a costume is the best part of costume making. You get to be creative and play with all the sparkly items. But because there are so many embellishment options out there, it can be overwhelming. So no matter whether you want to decorate your handmade costume or spice up a boring costume you have, here are 3 best approaches to decorating belly dance costumes. The first one is layering fabrics. When talking about decoration, most people go directly to rhinestones and beads, but fabric can be the easiest and quickest way to add more fun to your costume. For example, you can take your hip scarf and layer it over your skirt or your top. Or you can create a swag to attach to the side of your skirt or make a tail. Really, all you need to do is find the right fabric. Sheer fabric like chiffon and shiny fabric are great options for this approach. And it's also an easy solution for creating matching costumes for your troop members. But if you want to add more sparkles to your costumes, then sew or add embellishment directly onto your costumes. Take out your sewing kit and get working. You can sew on beads, pre-made fringe, or glue on rhinestones. You can use any materials you can think of and glam up your costumes. This approach is fun, but it does require some experience and skills. You have to decide exactly how you want your embellishments to look ahead of time, which can be hard to visualize at first. Also, once the embellishments have been applied, it's difficult to undo them. So my favorite decoration approach is this: appliques. You can find simple appliques in stores or easily make your own. Appliques are really fun to make, and the making process is actually pretty straightforward. When you make appliques, each area you're decorating is rather small, unlike working on an entire costume, so it's not as overwhelming for beginners. Once you make one, simply repeat the process to make as many as you like. The best part about making appliques is that you can test how you want to place your appliques on your costume until you're happy. Simply take the appliques you made, try different placements on your costume, use pins to hold them, and once you're happy, you can sew them onto your costume. It's definitely not as overwhelming, less risky, and much easier to visualize how everything will look together. Now the next question is, how do you make your own appliques? Well, I have great news. I have this brand new course on making appliques for costumes where you can learn what materials to use, how many beads to buy, how to sew on beads to make your appliques look more professional and high quality, and beautiful applique designs to try, and lots more. Now, even better, I'll be launching this new course inside this year's Belly Dance Bundle. So if you join this year's bundle, you get this applique course and dozens of amazing courses and lectures by well-known belly dance instructors around the world. Learn more about my course and the Belly Dance Bundle at the link on the screen or description. And don't forget to share this exciting info with your dance sisters. Thanks for watching and keep sparkling.